Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Negril, Jamaica, and we are driving on the Manley Boulevard. This is the main road that takes you through Negril. The road is named after the former Premier of Jamaica, Norman Manley. He's also a national hero of Jamaica. A lot of persons might think he was a prime minister, but before Jamaica, I guess, became independent, they had premiers, and then after independence, they had prime ministers. So this road is named after him. Now, Negril is one of the top 3 tourist destinations in Jamaica. Negril is famous for its 7 Mile Beach, and it has hundreds of hotels. It's one of the most popular places in Jamaica. And there you can see the hotels on the left and on the right. Now the 7 Mile Beach is to the right of these hotels. And Manley Boulevard is the main road that takes you through Negril. Now the Northern Coastal Highway takes you from Montego Bay, where the Sangster International Airport is, to Negril. And then this road runs through Negril. Now they have plans to modify or expand, or basically build bypasses between Montego Bay and Negril, because they want tourists to be able to get to Negril quickly and easily from the airport. And then from Negril to Manchester, they're going to build the Southern Coastal Highway Phase 2, and that will be another highway. So basically Negril is going to be connected by 2 major highways in Jamaica when everything is done. It's already on one side, you have the Northern Coastal Highway when you're coming from Montego Bay to Negril, but that road is going to be upgraded. Bypasses are going to be put in for Lucy and Hopewell, so you can get to Negril easily. And then the Southern Coastal Highway is going to be built from Negril to Manchester, so you can get through quite easily. Alright guys, enjoy the tour of Negril, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.